Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anca and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this natural makeup look in only 10 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. I started by giving the skin an energy boost using the green tea toner from Sukin. I applied it with a moist cotton pad. The toner is part of my everyday skincare routine. It cleans and balances the pH of the skin. Be gentle, especially on the eye area where the skin is thinner and needs extra care and hydration. The serum from the Ordinary is perfect for that. It is very light in texture and reduces pigmentation and puffiness. To hydrate the rest of the face, I applied a good amount of the green tea moisturizer from Innisfree. Using a moisturizer that suits you, it is essential for the unnatural environments we live in. You definitely feel better when your skin is hydrated enough and you have that healthy glow for the entire day. I minimized my pores with the Hourglass MineralVeil primer that I applied on the cheeks, chin area and the forehead. I just discovered the low coverage foundation from Tilbury Light Wonder in color 4 and I absolutely love it. It can go for all the skin types. As my skin is properly hydrated, I only need a drop to cover my whole face. I chose to apply it with my fingers, this way the product adapts better to the skin. For a medium or full coverage foundation, the beauty blender or the brush, it will be absolutely necessary, but in this case, it's no need. Another miracle product from the same brand is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I applied it on all the areas I wanted to highlight in a natural way. My skin looks so healthy and glowy when I wear it. And yes, it is long-lasting, sometimes even for 12 hours. The HD concealer from Makeup Forever never lets me down. Sometimes I wake up with terrible under-eye circles. It has a medium coverage, but you actually don't need a full coverage if you choose the right color. I have a purple undertone for the eye area, so I use a yellow concealer. For a flawless finish, use a moist beauty blender. After I made sure I blended properly the concealer, it's time to set up with the loose powder from the same brand. Concealer is a creamy product. It does a great job as long as you use it correctly. The skin around the eyes moves a lot, so does the concealer. If you don't set it up properly or you apply too much, it will be visible and it will make your expression lines look bigger. If you know that your skin gets oily in specific areas, it's good to prevent that by applying a light layer of powder. I am warming up my skin with the Chubby stick from Clinique in 15 Bountiful beige. I blend it with a moist beauty blender. Be mindful that for applying any creamy product, you need to use only clean equipment. So in this case, the beauty blenders needs to be cleaned all the time. It's time for some bronzer, and the Revlon Sculpt and Highlight in light medium has been in my makeup kit for a long time. As my skin is light, any bronzer with a red pigment would make my skin look orange. I try to choose one with a neutral pigment. For the blush, I chose the Korean cushion from Ayopi in 02. It comes with its own applicator that is so efficient and fast. No need to mention, I think, there is no way you can achieve a more natural tint for your cheeks. For contouring my eyebrows, I used the Gimme Brow from Benefit in number 3. For extra definition, I used Aqua Brow in color 10 that I applied with an angle brush. The long-lasting eyeshadow stick from Kiko, it is so easy to apply, to blend, and it stays on at least 8 hours. You can easily blend it with your finger or with a brush. I love it. It does not crease and it does not dry out your skin. Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara from Kiko for some eyelash volume. And some definition for the lips with the Lip Fusion Pencil from Kiko in 534. Applying lip pencil on the inner corner offers a longer lasting color. The Pillow Talk lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury has such a velvety and light application. I can barely feel it. And it has a great tone for the light skin. And the final step for today's makeup look is applying the refreshing setting spray from Morphe. That's it for today. Let me know if you found it useful in the comments below. I see you very soon in my next video. Stay safe. Bye!